So the Galaxy S21 is official. After months of leaks, rumors, news and confirmations, it finally got official. And here we have the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus hands-on, giving you guys first impressions of both of these two devices. By the way, there is also an Ultra, but that video coming later today, so be sure to subscribe for that. So just like what we saw, here is the S21 and S21 Plus. What's the difference? Well, Samsung has made some changes, not just in size, but also in materials. So the Galaxy S21 is coming with 6.2-inch flat display, while the Plus has 6.7-inch same flat display, and both has Full HD Plus resolution instead of Quad HD. And as there is a difference in size, meaning the battery is also going to be different. S21 has 4000 mAh cell and the Galaxy S21 Plus has 4800 mAh battery. So yes, bigger battery for the Plus and I like it. Now the materials, so both models has matte finish on the back, but Galaxy S21 Plus has glass whereas the S21 has plastic. Now some people don't like plastic, I know, but if you hear the price, it won't seem that bad as it should be. So the Galaxy S21 starts at $799 and the Galaxy S21 Plus starts at $999. So a $200 price difference, and honestly the plastic on the S21 is not as bad as it was with the Galaxy Note 20. Honestly, Note 20 had a really bad plastic. I mean, you can scratch Note 20's plastic with your fingernail or your keys, but seems like S21 has better plastic and suddenly it's more lighter than S21 Plus. Now speaking of the cameras, so we saw this design, we knew it was coming and it is here. As I've said multiple times and saying again, I like this design. It's fresh, new and unique. Like anyone can easily point out that it's the latest flagship from Samsung. And you know the interesting part, usually camera bumps made from glass, but due to this design, Samsung has made the camera bump with same materials as the metal frame. Yeah, the camera bump is also made from metal, which makes it quite stronger than others. Like I drop my phones a lot, so this really helped me out. Now camera hardware, so both of the S21s using same cameras as the last year's S20, but this time you get a lot of software features under the hood. There is an 8 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 GB of storage, non-expandable this time, and you get new fingerprint scanner which is now faster and bigger, so the unlocking speed will be very fast. So here's the conclusion. Galaxy S21 costs $799. You get Full HD Plus 120Hz display, plastic back, triple cameras, 4000 mAh battery, and no expandable storage. Galaxy S21 Plus costs $999. Same Full HD Plus 120Hz display, glass back, same triple cameras, 4800 mAh battery, and same non-expandable storage. So let me know, what do you think? In $799, are you gonna miss this stuff that they removed? And $999 for the Plus, let me know what do you think. And Galaxy S21 Ultra hands-on is also on the way, so do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.